Hello everyone and welcome back to Storekeeper Armstead. So today's video, why chickens in the garden? Simplest way I can put it for you. These guys have eyesight so good, they can see an aphid egg. Repeat that, an aphid's egg, which is tiny. They not only can see it, they'll eat it. So putting these guys out into your garden, say 4 weeks before planting time, they're going to do a couple of things for you. They're going to take out your weeds, your weed seeds, your grass, as well as any cover crops that you put in, okay? They're going to gently till the earth with their talons, exactly like they were created to do. They're going to mix up any heavy mulch and compost that you've put out here with a light top layer of soil, therefore increasing the biological activity of your soil, taking dirt and making soil. They're going to poop and urinate all over that area, adding in their own unique fertilization, as well as reducing your feed cost and providing you with the best food that you can eat, eggs or chicken meat, depending on what you're raising them for. Let me show you some areas that they've already done. We move our chickens every 6 to 7 days. They just finished this area. Look, you can see their poop. That little bit's not going to be too hot. But here's the point I really want you to notice. Look at how they mixed up the leaves. All of that. They just tore it to pieces. And look, they mixed it with a little bit of this topsoil. Guys, I'm on hard-packed clay, Louisiana red clay. I have to work it any way I can. What we have found is heavy mulch on top of this clay. No till. No till at all. We run the chickens through, they're going to do the tilling for us lightly, precisely, and perfectly, just the way God created them. This beauty right here is already working on removing some grass for me. Hope that helps you make the decision in investing in a portable electric fence. Some good livestock guardians who lay out here all night, all day, protecting them. I'm just saying, we converted an old trailer. Well, it's not an old trailer, but we converted it over into a chicken hut for this. Work with what you've got in your hands. You don't have to spend a lot of money. If you can't afford an electric fence, get some old fencing, some old wire. It's only got to be a couple of feet over. Yeah, they can jump out of it. They most definitely can. Had one out this morning. That's when we knew it's time to rearrange the fencing so they have a new soil to get on. As long as you are supplementing them with some ground up corn, maybe a handful or two of pellets if you're down with that. If not, just throw them out some leftovers from when you eat at night. they're going to get enough protein from the bugs and pests they're removing from that garden plot that you're going to have the best eggs you've ever had. I hope this helps you learn how to rotationally graze with small livestock on small acreage to increase your food security and the nutrition of what you're eating. Please like, comment, and subscribe.